Hi, it's Gina from WTI. If you're an avid loose leaf tea drinker like I am, then you are definitely going to be wanting to try out this DOUNGURI bamboo tumbler. This tumbler seals up as tight as a drum. I have thrown it around my car on purpose and it hasn't leaked one single drop. I have so much confidence in the seal on this that I even put it in my purse and don't worry that it's going to leak anywhere. It's also vacuum sealed, so it stays hot for a really long time. I did a 3.5-hour test with a candy thermometer to show that the water temperature only drops down so much with the vacuum seal. I love to drink just directly from the tumbler, but because it does stay so hot, sometimes I'll just brew my tea inside of it and then pour it into a mug and enjoy my tea from there. The tea strainer that comes with the tumbler is just perfect for use for all your loose leaf. It's super easy to use the spoon that they provided to add tea to it. It screws on quickly and then you just push it gently into the tumbler and it snaps into place. To remove, there's a little handle with finger grooves and you just simply pull up on it. Not only is this tumbler very functional, it's just beautiful. I think it's so special and unique that it's made out of bamboo, has this very natural, smooth look to it. If you love to drink tea and don't already have this tumbler, I would recommend getting one right away. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be so awesome to use loose leaf tea in, and that's my point of view.